Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to create one very beautiful project which is ping pong game. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest video. Okay, so now let's start our today's project. So this is the project which is ping pong game. So what I will do first, I will run this project. I will show you. So how you will run your project, you need to just click on flag. Okay, see. So if ball will touch to this paddle, green color paddle, you will score a point. Okay, but by mistakenly, if your ball will touch to this red line, what will happen? Game will stop. Okay, so this is our today's project. So here we have a three sprite. First we have a ball, we have a paddle which is this green color, and we have one line which is this red line. Okay, so if this line will touch to your ball, everything will stop. And if you want, you can select one backdrop. So this is our ping pong game. Okay, so now let's start this game. So how you will take your scratch, how you will open your scratch, you need to just search for scratch. So you will get scratch.mit.edu, and first we need to click on the create button. Okay, so this is our first step, how you will create your project. Okay, after that, what we want here, we want to add some sprite and we want to add some backdrops. Okay, so how we will add that? So first I will delete this sprite. After that, how you will add your backdrop, we need to just click here, which is choose a backdrop. So whatever backdrop you want for your ping pong game, you need to first select that. Suppose I want this neon tunnel, or else whatever backdrop you want, you can select that. Okay. Suppose if we want this strips, even we can take that. Okay, so this is our second step. In the first step, you need to take one new project. In the second step, you have to add some backdrops. Okay, after that, how you will add a sprite? As you can see, we have a choose a sprite option. Click on that, and whatever sprite you want, you need to select. Suppose I want ball, so I will get a ball. After that, if you want to create your paddle, so what you can do, instead of choose a sprite, we will click on a paint option, and whatever color you want for your paddle. Suppose I want blue color. So take that blue and create one paddle like this. So this is my paddle. Okay, we can rename this paddle. After that, what is our third step? We want one red line. Okay, so instead of choose a sprite, what we can do, we need to again click on this paint option, and now we want one red color line. Okay, so whatever color you want, you can take that like this. So where you want to put this line, suppose here. So as you can see, we have a three sprites. We have ball, we have paddle, and we will rename it to line. So we have our third sprite, which is line. Okay. So in this way, we can add our backdrop and we can add our sprites. Now how we will give the instruction? Because see, without instruction, it will not work. So how you will give your instruction? You need to click on this ball. So once you will click on the ball, so what will happen now? So always we will start from the event. Okay, event means we want to perform any action. Okay, so click on event, take this. When flag is clicked. So this is our first. After that, suppose I want, initially I want this ball here. Okay, or else suppose here. So what is position of this ball? In X position it is 20, in Y position it is 159. So how you will fix this ball? You need to just go to motion, take this, go to X and Y. By mistakenly, if I will take my ball here, if I will run, you will get your ball here. So this is a fixed position of the ball. After that, what angle you want? Okay, so for that we have a point in direction. So instead of 90, suppose if I want this angle, so you can take it 45. Means according to your choice, you can define your angle. Okay, after that I want to move this ball at any position, right? And what we want that moving ball continuously again and again. So if you want anything continuously, for that you need to take this forever. Forever means if you want anything continuously again and again. Okay, and here we want to move our ball, so we will take this 10 step. And if there will be age, so again we see in scratch we have these ages, 4 age we have. So first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so suppose if we want ball will return, so what will happen? You need to put age. So where you will get age? Inside your motion you will get your age. Now see what will happen. See perfectly your ball is moving, see, by 45 angle. Okay, so this is our first thing. After that, what we want? Again, when flag is clicked, so this is our first coding step. After that, what is our second logic? Again, when flag is clicked. Okay, so what we want? If ball will touch to this red color, so what will happen? Okay, so again we will take that into the forever because we want that continuously. Now we will check a condition. If, okay, so what is the condition? If ball will touch to this red color, so where you will get that? Inside your sensing touching color. But as you can see here we have a green, so how we will take a red? Click on this paint option. So what will happen? You will get your red color. So what will happen if your ball will touch to this red color? So we want to increase our score. Okay, so how we will increase that and how we will create a score? So score is our variable. Means say we want to store a score, right? So where you will get that? In a variable, we need to just click on make a variable, write down the name score, click on OK. So you will get a score. So we want to change the score by 1. Okay, means we want to increase that. So instead of my variable, we will take a score by 1. If you want to increase your score by 2, so instead of 1, we can take a 2. But what will happen if ball will touch to this red color? We want to reduce the score, right? So for that, we will take a -1. Okay. After that, whatever sound you want, suppose here you can add the sound also. So suppose I want this pop sound. Instead of pop, if you want to add other sounds, you need to just click on this sound tab. Click on choose a sound, whatever sound you want. Suppose if I want this, click on that. You will get your sound here. Again, come to your coding part. Instead of this pop, we will take else parts. Okay. Now see, you will get sound. See, when ball touching to the red color, we are getting the sound. So this is our second part for the ball. Okay. After that, what third thing we want? Like when flag is clicked. So initially we want the score 0, right? Initially we want the score 0. So where you will get inside your variable, we have a set score. So Now, as you can see, we have minus 29. If I will click flag, you will get a 0. Okay. Then, so if this will touch to the paddle, if your ball will touch to the paddle, we want to increase the score. So how we will do that? Save. You need to just go to the control, take this forever, because we want that continuously, and we want to give some condition. If ball will touch to your paddle, okay, so where you will get that? Inside the sensing, we will take this. But instead of mouse pointer, we will take paddle. It means when ball will touch to this paddle, so what will happen? Even you can change your color, ball color. So where you will go? In the looks, you will get your change color. Okay. So we can change a color effect. After that, if you want to start a sound, even you can start a sound also. Means whatever you want, you can do. Okay. So see, we started the sound also. After 1 second, we want to increase the score also. So what will happen? Where you will get your score and where you will get your weight. So in the control, we have a wait 1 second. And then we will change the score. So in the variable, you will get your change score by 1. But instead of my variable, we will take a score. So this is our third point for the ball. Okay. After that, what will happen? Now we will do for our paddle. Okay. So for the paddle, what we have to do now? What is the use of this paddle? Paddle will move with the help of our mouse pointer. Okay, so how we will do that? Again, we will add the event here when flag is clicked. So again, we want this continuously, so we will take a forever. And it will follow our mouse. So we have a go to mouse pointer. So you need to just select that. So where is that? Inside the motion, you will get that, okay? Instead of random position, we will take a mouse pointer, okay? And after that, suppose we want to stop this game. So how you will stop that? Again, we will take the event when flag is clicked. So how many minutes you want to play this? How much minute you want to play this game? Suppose I want to play this only for 3 minutes. So what you can do, you need to just wait. In a 3 minute, how many seconds we have? In a 1 minute, we have a 60. So 60 multiplied by 3, you will get 180. And then you can just broadcast one message here. Like, we want to stop this game now. So you can broadcast this message. But where you will receive this message? Inside your ball. Means when you will receive message 1, we want to stop everything. Means we want to stop this game. So as you can see, we completed 2 parts. The first part is your ball. The second part is the paddle. Okay. Now only we have a line. So what is the use of line? If line will touch to your ball, so if you want, you can stop the game. So this is only logic we will use in the line. So again, we will start from when flag is clicked. Okay. So when flag is clicked, so we want that continuously. So again, we will take a forever. Okay. Now, if your line will touch to your ball, so again, you need to take this if condition. Okay. If it will touch to your ball, so where you will get touch part? Inside the sensing. But instead of mouse pointer, we will take a ball. So what will happen? We want to stop everything. So you need to just go to the control, take stop all. See, now if I will run, see, now your game will stop. So as you can see, this line, this paddle is following our mouse. See, okay. And as you can see, the ball color is also changing, right? Okay. So like that, we can create our ping pong game. And the next part, how you will rename your project. So instead of untitled, remove this. We need to write ping pong. Okay. And the next part, how you will share this project. So you need to just click on share button, copy the link, and just copy this link and paste wherever you want. Okay. And if you want, you can just write down the notes. You can just write down the instructions. Means whatever you want, you can put here. So like this, we can create our ping pong game. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more videos. Okay. And in a comment box, whatever video you want, just mention that name. So in the next video, you will get that. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. See you soon. Okay. Bye bye.